The next set of exercises, we're going to focus on one of the four elements of the complete breath. What are the four? There's, of course, inhalation and exhalation, but there's also the pauses in between. We're going to first focus on the exhalation. It's perhaps the easiest thing to focus on. And when we think of breathing, we often think of the exhalation the most anyway. The first of these exercises that focus on the exhalation is called the gentle breath. And it really is just a warm-up for the main exhalation exercise, which we'll do next. So the gentle breath is just what it sounds like. We're going to inhale through our nose, and then we're going to slowly blow out through our lips in a very gentle, sustained way. That's all it is, right? Ideally, we time ourselves and we see how far we can do it, but we'll get onto that more with the next exercise. For now, you can have your eyes closed if you want to, open, doesn't matter. But I want you to inhale as much as you can. A bit more. Now just let go, exhale. It's important to do that. It allows you to relax. Because you think, oh, I'm gonna do an exercise. No. So you inhale and you sigh. Okay, now we can really take a very relaxed inhalation and just blow out through your lips. Very gently. Focus on the air leaving your lips. Focus on your shoulders slowly falling, your chest slowly going inward. And then you come to the point where you could blow out more, but in this instance, we just stop. So there's a point in your exhalation. For example, if you take a big breath and you let go, you could still blow out more using your exhalation muscles. So we're not doing that. The irony is that this is an exhalation breath, but we're not using our exhalation muscles. That'll come later. All we're doing is we're inhaling, and in fact, we're using our inhalation muscles to slowly exhale. We're slowly letting go of our inhalation. So let's try it again. So you relax and inhale. And slowly exhale through your lips. And just let your chest sink naturally. Most of you will get to about 20 seconds. So if you don't get to 20 seconds, at least blow out less, go slower, okay? Ideally, we go to about 30 seconds. In fact, I'll count it for you this time, approximately 30 seconds, okay? So this is the last time for the gentle breath. Okay, you ready? So inhale. Bit more. And go. Relax. That's 10. 15, we're halfway there. So most of you will want to kind of stop now, but some of you can go to about 30. Right. Doesn't really matter. You want to just do it in a sustained, gentle way. So you can have a clock with a second hand or your iPad with the timer or whatever in front of you and see if you can go 20 or 30 seconds. Very gentle breath, okay? Simple, the gentle breath.